And we're back to more Harvest Moon.
Welcome back!
Alright. Check the calendar real quick. I feel like there's an event coming up for... It's been a hot minute, so... Nope, nothing coming up until the next year.
Yeah!
Or next season. But we do want to go check for our watering can.
Oh, yeah. Just check the weather.
Sunny as usual.
Yes, because spring sucks. Can't do anything with you.
Nope. To be honest, I don't think we're going to be harvesting anything until next season anyway. Chicken coop. We knew this.
Yeah, I couldn't remember if this came with an already reconstructed.
It did.
I said hothouse.
Oh, no. I said chicken coop. We don't have a hothouse.
That would be handy.
That'd be really handy and something we would want for the winter for sure. But it's going to be a bit before we can acquire that kind of lumber and money. Horse is already in the field to get.
Hey, it's been a while. Damn it, horse, stop playing whistle tag.
He's down lower.
Get away.
Quest for our horse. There he is.
Did you walk away from me? Play in the dirt.
Alright, let's go.
Get our can.
Hopefully we can get a watering can.
Open. Yep. Yeah.
Okay.
It sucks. Smash.
Now go water our crop real quick and then come back and upgrade it again.
And now I wasn't going to throw it.
I would have shot you.
I would have shot me before you could shoot. Okay, so let's see how this works.
Huh. Go fill it up. I think you only had one shot in it.
God dang it.
There you go.
Okay.
You don't have to hold it then for these.
Okay.
So press for one, hold for a row.
That'll work. Now let's go upgrade it again.
Quick, because I think he closes real early. No 4 p.m.
Yeah, it's actually the winemaker. Lunch is early.
Oh yeah, right. She's a noon wine. She's the afternoon wino. You gotta hold the door.
Leave me alone. I don't want to talk to an old lady.
Respect your elders, kids.
Alright, I need the tool equipped. Put that away.
I'm pretty sure you had it equipped. Because it was literally the last thing you used. Oh, weird. Okay.
Well, dude, you can level up a tool.
That's really fine. That's fine.
Yep. Yeah, 10 free days.
So what does it do? How many level ups does it have?
I think gold is last.
Yeah. So what does it do for gold?
Oh no.
Yeah, no, it has 2 more after this.
I don't know what that one is. But I do know that gold will probably do the first row and the second row.
Oh, then it must do the 3rd row for the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's like one good blast.
Yeah. So basically, we'll be able to start watering everything with the last one.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see. We could upgrade the sickle, but what's the point?
Next is the axe.
Oh yeah. For sure.
That way we can start getting lumber. Because we need a kitchen. What?
We upgraded the hammer once before, right?
I do believe so.
Good. Oh, there goes the whiny. And there goes the creepy.
We are not going to ever fit everything in this town.
I just picture myself saying this out loud.
Oh, no, exactly what we're doing. No, it's the wino and the creeper.
And
And the snot-nosed kid.
Are you cheating on your husband in there?
Ooh, scandalous news at the mayor's house. Oh, wait.
Oh, never mind. Oops.
Wrong house!
This is what I get for judging people. You're a tool.
Oh, well, screw you too.
I don't swing that way.
Oh, you will in jail, though. Like it or not. And and that's when Cody was railroaded out of town.
You know what? You know what we haven't done yet?
What? Talk to the gnomes?
We talked to them.
No, we went in their house.
Oh.
You called them little freaks and then you left.
Oh. No, I bet we have got jerky.
Oh, I didn't know we were religious. Okay.
Hey, sad sack. What's wrong, sad sack?
Is it okay?
Is what okay, you freak?
Oh, damn, Cody. I don't think he's going to say anything else.
you possessed? Priest!
Quick, play the organ.
Oh, why was it good?
You can't even go to the back room. Oh, you can.
Very good.
Tell me what you have done. Confess your sins, Cody. Yeah. And then Cody died to the end.
I forgot I called them freaks.
Yeah, you talk to one, I think.
Ah.
In Spring's the only time I think you can really interact with them.
Okay.
Oh, okay. No,
Oh,
no.
they don't work in spring.
They don't work in Spring.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay, we'll come back to these guys in summer.
Yep.
Don't want to interrupt the tea party.
Yeah. A
Ooh, they have little
month-long-
people or elf cookies. And Rice Krispie treats.
Some Rice Krispie treats. Those actually don't sound bad right now.
I would dare define you to say you hate Rice Krispie squares.
Oh, I enjoy them.
Yeah. Who
They're
doesn't?
made well.
Yeah, true, when they're made well.
The store-bought kind, I don't really...
Store-bought? No, you gotta do it yourself.
Yeah.
They're the one treat I was like, if you're just buying the store-bought, you're missing the whole point of actually doing it.
It's like, we bought store-bought stuff. Get it out of my house.
Yeah. No, I like to do mine, put it in the pan, cook it, then drizzle it with chocolate.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, no, we're...
Hey, Sam. Look around. Oh, or just leave.
No,
Yeah.
he's a busy man, dude. Leave him alone. I don't want to get him a fight with him.
Get off my farm.
Dude, you have scrawny arms. You see that guy? That guy has the arms of you. I don't think you can. He's literally Arnold Schwarzenegger. Like back in his good days.
Before he looked like a...
What?
Less. I'm not gonna go there.
You know, also go gather those things around the...
Good idea.
Since now we have like tons of space. Since we're not holding any platinum. And I might have a suggestion, but it's not. No, wait, never mind. It's bad suggestion. Never mind.
Bad?
Well, it's one we can't do.
Okay.
I was thinking we should upgrade the key in a third time before the new season, but we don't have that kind of money.
Yeah. And we probably have to go even lower into the mines.
Yeah, which would be doable. We could spend a day mining.
Okay, I guess. How much else I can do?
Yeah, good.
One of these days, I just expect to walk into the house and have people just standing there.
Oh yeah, no, just like the posse of people.
I'd be like, "What are you doing in my house?"
Oh, it's not your house anymore.
Oh,
Mayor, why are you here? It's like they're all trying to be cloaked and shadowy so that no one knows. But the mayor has such a distinct voice.
It's like, I know it's you, Mr. Mayor.
Alright, the game's up. It just takes off the rope.
It's like, you're kicked out. Oh, that's fine. I set fire to the town earlier.
Oh, when we say you're kicked out, that doesn't mean you get to go back to the city.
What do you do now?
Go harvest the... We're going to be harvesting the mountains for
Ah,
the time being. And then we're going to try and be friendly with the locals.
I guess we're going to get down the line.
I mean, if the mine actually gave us anything that was worth of value, I'd suggest harvesting in there, but...
Did you think I said mine?
No, yeah, what did you say?
I said, I guess I better go get a bottle of wine.
Ah. I don't know, you kind of slurred your words, so I thought you were out of drinking the wine.
No. Not right now.
Yeah, what we should have done is at the start of the season, upgrade the axe. So at the end of the season, while we're waiting for the watering can to upgrade, we can be harvesting wood.
Oh, yeah. Oops.
Yeah, well. That should give us a decent chunk of money.
That's actually not a half bad idea.
We should also, brush the horse and everything too, so. And what did you have for an idea?
I was going to suggest cleaning up the farm a little. But probably best not to waste energy.
That might be something we do at night. I usually suggest just tidying up the farm at night before bed.
Are we really playing hide and...
Nope. Yes, we're playing hide and seek, Cody. Look, it's so hidden. I can't find it. Where is it, Cody? Horse is like, dumbass. Dog's fine. We don't really have to interact with the dog every day.
Yeah.
I mean, I love our dog and everything, but...
Yeah, he doesn't really do anything, so... Other than eat, sleep, crap.
And certain females will like him, so...
Ah.
If he looks
groomed.
Oh,
Why?
As I say, you got 20 minutes! I would laugh if you missed it and the time was up.
Yeah. Hey, how much for wine?
You know, that's not bad.
Should I buy a bottle?
Sure. That'll go great with Karen.
You read my mind.
I could have phrased that a little better. I mean, be a great gift for Karen.
We know what you meant. We know you meant it how you phrased it.
No, I don't think I did. Alright, now we gotta find her.
Yep. I think she's in here. Damn it, Karen.
Check the church some days she's there.
God dang it, she turned me into a liar.
I wouldn't say in the church, but around the church. Sad sacks in the church. As you referred to him.
Yep, sad sack. Karen. Maybe I'll go check the... Oh.
Maybe.
Or... You better walk away.
Don't friend the doctor. He studied the human anatomy. He knows what makes you tick.
Ah, Karen!
Hi. Don't walk away. I don't want to toss this. It's $300. I don't want to lose. Oh, thank you. I like it very much.
Don't drink it all.
She just chugs it.
I'd be like...
Damn, girl, that's impressive.
That was impressive, but that was 300 gold!
Huh? Well, just go around and talk to people, I think.
Not my mail. Some people in there. Hey, Mr. Mayor, how's your day?
Well, if it's just a party, how's the farm? How are things going?
Making a lot of money?
That's good. Are you getting along with people? Kind of crucial.
I mean,
I've seen them hang people. That's scary. How do you think I became mayor? We don't elect.
who the hell are you?
Me and the village go all the way back, and you know, I've been taking pictures around here for 20 years now. I'm simply one hell of a photographer. This is...
The mayor.
Yeah.
And his father.
The
mayor.
Mayor's our last name.
What's your first name?
Oh.
So your first name is the, and your last name is the mayor.
I just
mayor.
said Tom.
Oh, Tom. What's your last name?
Mayor. The mayor.
Good to see you, Mayor.
Bye, come again.
Burn this down.
Can still hear you.
No, you can't.
These are paper thin walls. You doing something in my house?
Yep, I'm gonna rob you.
No.
See, watch. I'm gonna go in and take all your stuff. You have lousy stuff.
Well, if you Cody. Getting warmer, her braces and day still shows me some blood coming out of the ground.
What a creep. I'll beat him up for you.
Stu's the little kid outside.
I know.
You're gonna beat up a little kid for being a little kid. You monster.
Hey, Stu. Got any bugs on you? Okay.
Let's head back before you get into a fight with a small child.
Oh, I wouldn't hurt the small child. I'd destroy him.
Yeah.
Hey, I bought some of your wine.
Okay, talk to him and tell him.
Oh, yeah.
Nice weather today. Hey,
Yeah.
your animals must be happy, man, too.
Oh, yeah, I bought some of your wine today.
Yeah. The $300 cheap stuff.
Yeah, it tastes like ass.
And you know, you didn't give you drink it. I saw what you did.
How did you see Jack all? Were you peeping in the window?
Fred sees everything.
Creep. We might have.
Well, if we wait 20 more minutes, Zach will be here and we can check to see how much money we made.
Yep. Zach!
What? There's only leaves and nuts in this. Okay, we're up a couple hundred.
Yeah. Sweet. Bye! You want to clean up?
Yep. Yeah, you can carry all your tools now.
Yay! Get over here! Go back there.
Now, I would laugh if you were trying to find your dog and you couldn't because he was stuck behind the house. Die! There he is.
Okay, that is kind of funny. It'd be great when we can start collecting massive amounts of wood.
Yeah. The other thing we're going to have to start thinking about is livestock.
Yeah.
Because that'll be especially handy in the winter.
Oh, yeah. Trying to figure if chicken might be the way to go because I don't know how, actually, you know what? I don't know how they work in this yet.
I remember chickens being a pain in the butt in the other one. In 64. I went with cow all the way.
The only thing with cow is I don't think you make money right away with them, do you?
No, it takes a little bit for them to mature into where you can make money off them.
I'm trying to remember how they did cows if they start off as little chicks.
Little chicks?
Isn't that this the little yellow?
You say cows start off as little chicks.
Oops.
Did you mean chickens start off as
Yes.
little chicks?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Then I do believe so.
Okay, so yeah, cow. Probably.
Yeah. I do know cow will give $100 per milk.
Yeah.
And then there's a way to make it give golden milk, which is $1,000.
Yeah.
And that's per cow.
So yeah, animals are the way to go.
Yeah. Like,
If we can build up enough money, because we also got to buy the feed.
the feed isn't as expensive as you think. And I swear there's a way that this grass is considered feed at some point.
Oh, it's soup. Actually, I think I know what it is. Corn, I think. Yeah. Okay, that's not cow feed. It's probably grass.
Yeah. Go over just real quickly before we end the day. Go to our stables and see. No, okay. It might not be harvesting it because we don't have any cows.
True.
Or I think it might be you have to upgrade the sickle.
Could be. When do we want to start getting cows?
I would say we start working towards it in the fall.
Yeah, that's good.
But we should call the night here.
Yep. Oh boy, yep. Oh! I got a little carried away.
Yes, you always do. Well, with that, though, we'll have to call it here, everyone. So until next time, I'm Devin.
I'm Cody.
Have a good one, guys.